All right, another warm one, but you know what? It was very pleasant, even though it was warm today.
And even
Can't
less
complain about
for
that.
tomorrow, so it'll be another pleasant day. Pleasant start to the holiday weekend. The way the holiday weekend ends may be a little more challenging. In fact, we are large and in charge. Large.
Okay.
Everybody saw me at the programming today. Oh, you are tall. That's where the Big John comes from. Take a look outside. The radar is fine. Everything's in good shape. Look along the Gulf Coast. That's where the precipitation's located. And quite frankly, the tropics are going to be the real focus of our report this evening. First of all, starting in the Gulf, and from the Gulf, we'll work our way all the way out to Katia, who is just now a tropical storm. She still has good form, but she's pulling in some drier air, and there's some vertical wind shear that's blowing the convection off 4 miles behind the center of circulation. That's why she hasn't strengthened. And this is also giving the computer models a bit of a problem of what exactly direction she's going to do. We now have a couple of models that take more of a southerly track toward the Bahama Islands, while the consensus is still turning into a fish storm and missing us. But we'll have to watch that. In fact, the official track has changed just a little. 70-mile-an-hour winds. Look at the speed. That's slowed down just a little bit as well. But now, as she goes back to a hurricane, that is expected. We're not thinking she'll be a major hurricane until perhaps the very end of this forecast sequence. This is now Tuesday evening, and she takes a little more of a turn to the south before she hopefully makes a turn to the north. Now, we'll watch that very, very carefully as we go through the next couple of days. Now, from Katia, let's go back to the Gulf, where this is now Tropical Depression number 13. It's certainly quite a mess, almost 200 miles south of the Mississippi River. That's where the center of circulation is. But look at the spaghetti plots. That is truly linguine. Well, you want Alfredo or clam sauce with that? But the net result is perhaps we will get a track into Georgia, and perhaps it'll be a good rainmaker for us. At least that's what we're hoping. So high pressure starts our weekend. Here comes what we think will be Lee, eventually named Lee as a tropical storm. Then Lee will perhaps start to move in our direction toward the end of the holiday weekend. Here's how we put that together with your Doppler Max 11 forecast. Wonderful for tonight. Low of 64. Great tomorrow. Lower humidities 91. Northeast breeze 5 and 211. Then for the next several days, Saturday looks good, 89. We may have a chance of showers and thunderstorms Sunday, high of 89. Monday, Tuesday, better chances of showers. And it should be just rain, tropical rain, 87 both days. Mid-80s is the trend toward the end of the forecast period. So for our Labor Day weekend, we'll watch Lee very quickly. Could bring us some beneficial rains. We just don't want to see that when we're trying to grill and do the hot dogs.
That's true.
Keep the grill in the carport. That's the way to do that.
That's right. We got a big day today.
Had lots of fun today at Kroger. That's what I was talking about. There's Patrick, programming the weather radio. More from the WTOC staff. Christine Edwards right there. These guys are all programming the radios. This Turliness was there. Dave Turley programming weather radios as well. We just had a fabulous crowd. Our thanks to our friends at Kroger and Midland Radio for putting special deals together for us. We look forward to doing that again soon. And you can always get programming information on our website at WTOC.com.
Thanks a lot, John.
Sure.
Remember those